You know, for developers, December usually means one thing: Advent calendars. But this year, Google is dropping something a little different into the mix with their Advent of Agents. Forget your classic coding puzzles, we're talking about building Skynet here. So is this a generous holiday gift or a really, really clever trap? Let's get into it.
Okay, so the hook is huge, right? Zero to production-ready AI agents on Google Cloud. The classic, almost academic challenge of optimizing some algorithm is suddenly facing off against this new beast that's all about building powerful, autonomous AI. But, like any free lunch in the tech world, you gotta ask, what's the catch?
So, as a developer, this December you've got a choice to make. Are you gonna stick with the familiar comfort of pure logic puzzles, the stuff we all know and love? Or are you going to venture down this new, kind of suspicious-looking path that leads right into the heart of production-ready AI? And this is where you see the two philosophies just completely diverge. Advent of code, that's your mental gym. It's all about raw, computational thinking. Can you solve this tough problem in Python or Rust or heck, even JavaScript? But Advent of agents, oh, that's a much more guided experience. It's not about if you solve it, it's about how you solve it, using Google's very specific set of tools.
And it was that guided experience that led to the first big shocker. See, developers jumped into Advent of Agents on day 2, all fired up for a big coding challenge, and they were met with, well, something else entirely.
Yeah, you heard that right. The challenge was to build a working AI agent, supposedly using Google's super powerful Gemini 3 model, and it didn't take a single line of Python, not one. It was all done in a YAML file, 4 lines. It was basically the hello world of AI agents, and it perfectly shows this low-code, high-abstraction future that Google is pushing hard. And that just throws this massive question right in our faces. What does this mean for our jobs? Is this empowering? I mean, are we going to be able to build incredible things way faster by just not coding? Or is this de-skilling our craft? Are we actually building the future, or are we just becoming glorified config managers for some big tech company's platform?
Which, of course, begs the question, why on earth would Google create a coding challenge that has, no code? Well, the answer starts to pull back the curtain on a much, much bigger strategy here.
Let's be real. Advent of Agents isn't just a game. It's a masterfully designed onboarding ramp. Dressed up as a fun little daily challenge, Google is giving tens of thousands of developers a hands-on, guided tour of its entire proprietary AI stack. They're not just handing out gifts, they're training their next generation of paying customers.
And here's the syllabus for their little masterclass. You're not learning abstract ideas, nope. You're learning exactly how to use Gemini 3, their big new AI model. You're learning their agent development kit, and you're learning how to deploy it all on the Vertex AI agent engine. Every single 5-minute challenge is just one more step deeper into their world.
Okay, look, it's super easy to be cynical about this. And you know what? We kind of are. But that doesn't mean there isn't some genuine, massive value hiding in here for us developers. You just have to know where to look.
So while Google gets its newly trained workforce, what do we get? Well, it turns out they've actually stuffed this Trojan horse with some seriously powerful toys. They're giving away free, hands-on access to some of the most advanced AI capabilities on the entire planet.
Just look at the Day 3 challenge. It unlocked a feature they call computer use. Now, this isn't just another API call. We're talking about tech that lets an AI agent literally use a computer like a person does, clicking buttons, typing in fields, navigating apps, all to get a job done. And they're just letting you play with it for free. This whole program is basically a crash course in cutting-edge stuff like advanced context engineering and plugging live APIs right into your agents. I mean, these are the skills that are going to power the next wave of software, and you're getting to learn them for free, directly from the source. That is the real prize here.
So after all that, we're right back to where we started. But the choice isn't so simple anymore, is it? It's not just algorithms versus agents. This is a strategic decision you have to make for your career.
So here's the deal, plain and simple. You get a priceless education. You get to build with the absolute future of AI. The only cost? The skills you're learning are getting deeply, maybe permanently, tied to a single company's platform.
So the final question really is for you. Is getting this level of hands-on experience with production-grade AI worth the very real risk of vendor lock-in? Is this the gift horse you should look in the mouth, or is it the one you should ride straight into the future? The answer just might define what kind of developer you're going to be.